Hello everyone, that's my brother, that's Amit Kumar. He is a very special child because he is now also turning 45. Although he's a special child with special needs, but he's my darling brother, my beloved brother, and he's turning 45 today, this month, 1st October. And I find myself reflecting on the incredible journey that we've had together, that we've seen together. So my brother, who's quite special in many ways, not that because I love him so much, but he's actually special in many ways. He is the source of my joy, which comes, of course, with a lot of serious responsibility, because kids with special needs have to be taken care in a very different way altogether. So of course there is a lot of serious responsibility that I have to take care also, but his presence has shaped me in ways that I could never imagine. The moments of love, joy, patience, being resilient, bouncing back from any setbacks or hardships, because we've seen a lot of tough moments, any hard moments also, a lot of hard moments, I would say. So I just was thinking that, I normally do some videos, I do a lot of posts, I share a lot of my thoughts on the platform. I thought, why not on this day, let me introduce my brother also to all of you. I remember writing about him on the platform a couple of months ago, and I did receive few calls saying that you should share more and more about him, as we would also like to know him, in many ways that you think that we should know him also. So our parents were the primary caregivers for so many years. My father was in the defense services, he was in the Indian Air Force, and my mum, she was a very simple, loving housewife. 24-hour duty that she was doing of taking care of her children. And so they have ensured that he had his daily needs taken care of, and he had every opportunity to actually live his life to the fullest. And they've taken care of him with grace, and I would really give it to them that they've actually done a good job. And for me to carry on with this environment, give him that environment of care and growth, and to meet up with the standards that they had kept for him, was challenging initially. Balancing his needs and his with a lot of duty and responsibility that came with it, with a lot of uncertainty that I had to face at that point of time, was not easy, I would say. But yes, when I lost my parents, I lost my mother when he was, I think, in his 20s, and we lost our father in the year 2015. So it's always been, when one parent you lose, it's a void that is very difficult to fill, and especially with a child with special needs, because he was very close to my mother. And then when my mom passed away, he became very close to my father and me. And when my father passed away, I had to take their positions in his life in terms of being the mother and the father. And so the filling that void, the space that is there, the empty space in his life, you can see that he is looking around as to what is she recording. She is going on talking, but there's nobody sitting in the front. So he is trying to put up a very serious smiling face in front of all of you. Yeah, so coming back, taking care of his needs, taking care of his medical checkups, making sure that he takes his medicines on time, taking him for daily walks. He goes for movies with me, he goes to coffee shops with me. So we have our usual coffee and movie dates together. We go for lunches and dinners also. I have an elder sister, married, my brother-in-law, my nephew. They're all wonderful people. They extend the support in taking care of him as and when it's needed. And So seeing his face lit up with a lot of positivity, with happiness. He's always got this smile. You would have seen, since he's faced the camera, he's always got that smile on him. And all the people who've met him, all my friends and relatives, whosoever has met him, he's always had this positive, pure, genuine, innocent, heart-melting smile that he always has. So when I come back from work after a very hard day work, and I just look at him, and all my tension goes away, my stress goes away. So he's like my stress buster also in many ways. And so he's shown me in many ways, I can imagine, to be patient. He's shown me in many ways to be grateful, live in the moment, and don't get worked up of what's going to be years ahead of us. And yes, and as he's turning 45, I just want to remember all the moments that we've spent together, all the laughters, and all the where he drives me crazy also, where I try to control myself that I don't lose my patience. But the foundation that my parents had laid for his care and for his easy life, both of us, I think, have found our rhythm after they passed away. And it's based on, I would say, pure love and responsibility, of course. And there's a shared history of our moments together that only I think the two of us will understand. And as he turns 45, it's not just a celebration of a milestone or a day or a phase that he's now entering in his life, but it's a celebration of our journey together as brother sister, as the bond that we share together. And he's very, very special to me, not because he has special needs, but there's a big place he has in my heart. And I wish him all the very best, and wishing him good health and many years of happiness that come in the future as well. So I hope to look forward to spending more and more time with him. And I think last year when I took my career break, that was also a very cautious decision of mine, because I wanted to give him more time now, because he's also entering an age where he needs more time from me. And so that he feels a little more secured. He cannot say what he feels, but somehow, because I've spent so much of time, I understand by just looking at him what he's feeling. And so I just want to be there for him. I wish him good health and happiness. Yeah, would you like to say hello to everybody? No, you can tell them. You can tell them. So that's the way he is thanking all of you. That's the way he keeps giving these flying kisses all the time. And I think all the people around him just love that pure gesture of his. Thank you, everyone. Please bless him with your blessings. He needs all of that, right? So have a great day, everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. You can say bye to them now. Okay, bye-bye.